Leave me a like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, fuck no, they think I laugh at this. They must think a blood clot laugh at this after that. Oh, and you know, who say blood clot, dry tongue. That me I tell someone right now.
But there's nothing in the rum
But I know
talk for
my
Jay
mouth
to
a
be mad
damn
about.
church. But I know
What is
not
she
too
mad
blood
for? It's
clot
a
enough.
joke.
Not too enough.
So what? Jay's an alcoholic?
She have a problem with the rum talk, and then drop on her.
Okay, but
Rum head.
okay. What if she?
Rum head. I don't joke them a bit.
Like, so okay.
What? Stay in the
No.
comment section and watch we are going to blood clot enough. You don't have to be a part of we are going. Just watch we are going.
Yeah.
So if you cover there now and get and give up and look at trouble, when I hour at the time, for real, we got trouble now. So if you don't have trouble, no dumb blood clot come over here. We don't need a news reader. We can read news ourselves. Blood clot. You know how we over there can keep up fuckery. Lava can turn around and we will keep up fuckery. Don't cover that blood clot. Too enough. Real talk, woman.
Lava just needs to rotate the originals and just stop with the addy every minute.
Addy, them can't blood clot. Take it away time. Them start reach them start blood clot. But don't cover that blood clot. Look over there. Hey, Lava,
what's good for the goose is good for the gander. So you can't manage.
Lava, you tell them. Don't blood clot come over there. Blood clot enough. Someone to pass enough on the 2 locks.
2 a lot.
Yeah, the 2 locks. Go to the comment section and watch you are going.
You think I'm ever gonna
talk about that they beating there? When still I go with it now, I still I talk about it. I like him the upset. And they want to comment like ask anybody about Nikki Black. I no come on my name. If me don't know, me don't talk, mama. You say if I joke me I run, me tell you say I joke me I run. You see me? But me not lie, woman. Me not get me not wicked together and tell lie on people. So me know them want go, them want flip it like a lie me I tell. And them go like a lie me a blood clot tell me drop the fucking video without care. Y'all tell me what happened after that. Y'all be in charge of what fucking happened. Cause me know never no woman the pan ground.
Wait, hold on, Nikki. Wait.
I'll have a beg to video not drop. Don't fucking plug me, bruh. Don't let me do that. Don't say I'm no liar, bruh. I'll prove my point. Don't do it. Then you're gonna vex with me. Don't fucking do it. More police involved, please.
Yeah, they said that they didn't want to talk about the story because it's an open case.
I rarely and case drop. When I go like a big deal, nobody charge you murder, I kill nobody, I stab nobody. Fuck out of here. Them are working we got a court and full of charge, you know, so we know the system go. Me can't have the license firearm, me have too much charge. So anybody lies, you never been arrested. So that's how one seat over there, so. Let me tell you how the system go.
It's true. You can't get a license firearm.
I will prove my point. Don't say me a liar. Better just laugh it up and joke it up. When we say me a liar, I will run the blood clot. I will drop the blood clot video and then only be the judge. Then we see what's really good.
Dear Lava, why don't you stop and go get some sleep? Because she can't sleep right now and she has a right to defend her character. People are trying to call her a liar. I mean, Lava. Oh, wait, go.
Lava know better. I'm just work with it. So I beg for
yeah.
Lava didn't care. Lava know better. I never inter me. When me call him shocked. So even all like we at me at there, but sure, them at least are the apostles. So we are going over here, so.
All right, Nikki, I go finish up, wash up my dishes then.
All right, bro. Me not no dishes yet.
All right, good.
Good morning.